1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock. Rock tonight, put your glad rags on. Join me home, we'll have some fun. When the clock strikes 1, we're gonna rock around.
Well, welcome back, peeps. It's been a while since I did a video. We're here at North Shop today. Gotta do some exhaust. Yeah, I still got everybody's jerky. I haven't sent it off yet. I've been busy. Had to make plenty of trips to Omaha this month. Oh boy, but it's all good. Right now we got 2 vehicles in the shop. So we're gonna do a cold start on a GTO. And do some exhaust. Did not get to go to the races the 19th. They were closed. Drove all the way up there and the son of a bitches were closed. Boy, I tell you what, that chapped my hide. But it happens. So we plan on going back up to 3rd. And we are going to take the GTO too. I'm kind of real curious on what it's going to do. Maybe that Monte Carlo. So we did take this to Omaha yesterday. All the daughter's 15. She got a learner's permit. She got to drive up there and drive back. No scratches in it, no dents. A couple times I was kind of curious, but or should I say scared. But overall, she did pretty good. So as soon as I get on with a cigarette, we'll fire these puppies up and get them out, and we'll get that in here and put the exhaust on it. Got a lot of stuff to do today because I'm the only one that does exhaust and alignments. So we had to schedule everything for today and Tuesday. We had to go to Omaha Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. We've been up there like 9-10 times this month. And that gets costly after a while. 120 miles one way. That's the thing to get the best gas mileage. I don't like driving it. Plus if it's raining, snowing. I hope we're done with the snow. It did snow Tuesday. Melted right away. I went out and bought me a new lawnmower. I want to show you guys it. Itty bitty lawnmower, ain't very big. We make a garden out here. Cut down on some of the dog pen. New garden out here. We can grow our own food. But I got my lawnmower chained up over here so nobody steals it. She tied up. She's caught. She's in a pinch, huh? That's what it is, my new lawnmower. Goat. Oh. My live lawnmower. Eats the grass, shits and fertilizes at the same time. Color Daphne, and yes, this fall we're gonna have goat. About twice the size it was when we got it. About 20 pounds when I got it. All she does is eat. Eat, shit, and headbutt. That's all. That's it. You can see her shit now. All they do. But I tell you what, they get a goat, and I ain't got to buy a lawnmower. I can eat the goat. I can't eat the lawnmower. But I think I got more grass. I got goat. I still may have to get a lawnmower. There's Moose over there. We had to chain him up. He got a hold of that goat once. All he wants to do is kill it and eat it, which I don't blame him. But that's my goat. So bad. I got to chain him up. He ain't used to being chained up. But the frost didn't kill her Our snow didn't kill our stuff. We got some radishes right here, onions, bunch of onions. We planted some potatoes over here. There's some more turnips over here and over there too. So we'll see what happens. Oh, I think the radishes are here. I don't know. Grandpa comes out here and does a lot of it. Something for him to do. But lettuce right here, barely coming up. Yeah, but that's the reason why you guys didn't get no videos on the race, drag race 19th, because we drove all the way up there, 80 miles away. Some bitches were closed. Even said on a website they were open. Drove 3 vehicles up there. Fucking people, man. Even had on a website that was open. Well, the cigarette's done, so let's get this stuff out of here. This car's never been smoked in. As long as I own it, it never will be. But the way it is. Find a key for it. $31,505 miles. Had a car for 4 years. Bought it, had 16 on it. I figure y'all getting tired of having the same videos on a race car and don't get too many hits on them. So I try to change directions a little bit, or because I don't comment back, I don't know. I'm usually busy. Not busy as three-legged cat in a litter box. Even on my slow days, it just depends. It's just the way it is. But part of life. Does need washed. Ain't washed it since spring, fall. I see the El Camino starts. I just ain't had nothing new going on except for the race car, and that's about what I've been spending all my extra time on. Trying to see if the kids like it. If the kids go up there and they like it, I'll continue to do it. If the kids don't like it, well, somebody will find a new home. I'll go back to demoing. Still got to pull the motor out of this one. This one here's motor. This one, remember, is going in the GMC. Couple pumps there. Let's see if we can get that. Battery's a little low. Well, I haven't really started out, pull it out, shut it off 50 times. Don't never drive it nowhere. Got a header leaking. Could probably tighten the bolt up to take care of it, but I'm really concerned about it. When it goes back into GMC, it's going to get the ram heads put back on it. I'm not a big fan of headers. I hate changing the spark plugs on them. They're a bitch. Get me a junk collection over here. Getting everything ready for a semi-load. I got another one back there, the fence got to go. I got another Blazer coming out. Just trying to accumulate enough to make it worthwhile. Other than that, it's been the same old shit, different day. There's a Lincoln Continental I picked up, a couple $100, supposed to run. I really don't care if it runs. It probably weighs a couple tons. I'm just gonna smash it. $400. So, but that's where we're at, folks. So, a little bit of update of what's going on, or what's not going on, and so on and so forth. So, we got work to do, so I'll let y'all hang out or go take it easy. Have a good day.